What's the meaning of character actor? Character actor. Character actor.
Character actor. Character actor. A character actor is an actor who specializes in playing unique, eccentric or distinct character roles, rather than leading roles. These actors are typically versatile performers who can adapt to a wide range of character types and add depth and complexity to a story. They often have distinctive physical characteristics or mannerisms that make them stand out on screen or stage. Despite their importance to storytelling, character actors are often not as well known as leading actors, but they are essential in creating memorable and compelling performances.